Hello, today's homework is going to be on Venn diagrams. This is a slightly difficult question. Your teacher should have gone through the basic questions on Venn diagrams in lesson. Now, when you get a question like this, the most important thing you need to do is read the question, read it again if you need to, and try to understand it. Now, you've got 6 or 7 lines of instructions up here, so the best thing to do is make sure you try to do one line at a time. So the first thing it says here, Sammy asked 50 people. So the first thing I'm going to do is underline 50 people, which drinks they like from tea, coffee and milk. So the keywords are tea, coffee and milk. And in order to draw the Venn diagram, what you would do for this is start off by drawing the rectangle up here. And inside the rectangle you need to have 3 circles, each one representing tea, one for coffee and the other one for milk. So just draw 3 circles. One thing you'll notice here, I've got the overlapping circle up there and then just the last circle up there. So I'm going to label one T as in tea here, C for coffee and M for milk. Now it's quite important that we read this line here. It says here all 50 people like at least one of the drinks. So every single person that was asked, they actually liked at least one of the drinks. So when you look at a question like this, what you need to do is you need to try to start off where the middle point is. So it says here 19 people liked all 3 drinks, which is quite important. Let's try to put that in all of them. So 19 people liked all 3 drinks, which is tea, coffee and milk. It says here 16 people liked tea and coffee but not milk. You must remember it says here they didn't like milk. So where it says tea and coffee, where that joins the intersection for that, you have to put 16 in there because 16 people like tea and coffee but not milk, so we can't add milk onto that. And then it says here 21 people like coffee and milk. So we got coffee and milk, because we've got 19 already up there, it's going to be 21 take away 19 and then we put 2 up here. So you've got 2 up here. The next line it says 24 people like tea and milk. So under the place where it says tea and milk, it says here 24 people like that, but you've already got 19 in the middle. So it's 24 take away 19 is 5. And then in total it says 40 people like coffee. So what you need to be doing up here is you need to be looking at this circle up here for the coffee, and it says here that in total 40 people like coffee. So 16 and 19 and 2 are already in the coffee section. So 16 and 19 is 35 plus 2 is 40. 16 plus 19 is 35 plus 2 is 37. 40 take away 37 is 3, so we could put 3 up here. And it says here only one person likes milk, so you can't do anything else except just write 1 up there for the milk up there. Now this is almost complete, but remember the question said up here Sammy asks 50 people, so in total we need to make sure what these answers add up to. And if you write here 16 add 19 which is 35, add 5 which is 40, add 3 which is 43, add 2 which is 45, add 1 which is 46. So in total you have to write down 50 minus 46 and that equals 4, and that 4 goes just on the T section alone, just on the T section. Now what you would notice now is if you add all them numbers together you make 50 up there. The next question it says here Sammy selects at random one of the 50 people. What is the probability that this person likes tea? So we can only go to the T section up here. So the T section, work out the probability that this person likes tea. So the T section is this one up here. So all of these numbers in that section up there. So it's going to be 16, add 19. So for this question you write here 16 plus 19 plus 5 plus 4, and what you would do is just use a calculator just to double check you can get this answer there. So 16 plus 19 plus 5 plus 4, that equals 44. Now, because there's 50 people altogether, your answer for this one will be 44 out of 50. You don't need to simplify this. That is your answer there. So, thank you for watching this. For your homework, what you need to do is you need to answer this question and take a photo of this and send it on to class charts. Thank you for watching this.